What's up, bag holders? Let's get after this. You want to? Market up or down? The market was down, so we can do a flip today. Something I'm needing to get back into the swing of things for the main account. No matter how small the step is, a step forward is still a step in the right direction. So let's catch up our spreadsheet here, and we've had a few things happen. Our J&J order did fill. Let's make sure we got that in here. Looks like we put that in yesterday. Well, you can hear the order fill for the public account. Norfolk Southern, looks like we got some dividends. Okay. We bought in for our commodity level. We bought in Bitcoin. And remember, these are all tiny, man. So you can see the 30 there. Flat money there. All right. We sold our scraps of the Russell. Did we do that trade breakdown? We did yesterday, right? Yep. And ETH. We were able to get in there as well. Okay, looks like a weird fill, but that's all right. All right. So we're looking to sell these. We're still looking to buy gold and silver. And that's that. So next step is we're going to go through on the daily chart and see if there's anything that we need to put a sell order in for. Boy, isn't that pretty? How much better? All right. We got the 450 here for Friday, so that'll be cool. Remember, we got a weird week this week, so 50, but it's moving in the right direction instantly, which we like that. Time is an important commodity. You want to get the best bang for your time. Pepsi, this will be the last time we swing trade this one. I got a weird war on inflation I'm doing, and just whenever I buy their products, I just buy $5 of stock. I'm just gonna have a ton of it. So I buy a lot of their products, so I have to have dividends high enough to take me out. This one here, we got this dividend here, but it is on next Thursday, like a week away, and we're at the 66.6. So let's just put it in 58.03, and we'll just take the money and run. But you don't ever get nervous. That's why the universe is so important. You're never going to get nervous about holding Coke stock, right? And be like, oh, I don't know if I should hold this another day. It's fine. It'll be fine. But it's also important to have a system. Stick to it as consistently as you can. And we got a down day and a possible sell. So we've got the order in there. We'll just see what happens with it. I just got a thing about being against being greedy. I don't want to be greedy. I'm not seeing anything in here. What happened here? We didn't really tag it. Looking for the 30 RSI to get the second trigger, but it looks like some of those already did. Leggy, we got in here, but yeah, you can see the little circle there. When you got to scroll in like that, that means price just isn't moving that much, which is fine. Something happened here. XPV, we still have shares, so I think. Yep. Unless they changed. At a 58, and we got the dividend count. We're still good to hold this, but sometimes they go off different exchanges and things like that. When that happens, it's the same ticker symbol, but it'll be displayed differently. But that's the company. All right, we're really looking for our swing entries too, but no dice there. Let's check the markets. We have Qs, which didn't get to 30. It's been really strong, right? And this one hit for a second time here. No, that was the first time we got out. So nothing going on there. Switch gears and I guess go to the flips. Let's see if I have them in order by size for the reverse snowball. I used to at one time. Looks like, yep, Amcor is my lowest one. And what we're looking for here, we locked in a hell of a dividend. I got a big position in all of these now. I'm down to not very many positions, which is nice. So we're looking for 30 RSI, right? Yeah, Verizon broke out. I've been holding that stock for so freaking long. It was nice to see that one go. All right, that's it. So um, we actually had a swing on Cisco, I believe. So I say we leave that one alone and we'll just buy this SPB that we bought in the public account. All right. That order's in. So now the only thing we have left to do is go through the rest of the list and see if there is a swing trade entry. We're still playing the money pretty close to the chest and trying to be a little conservative just because we've got huge exposure into the markets already. And we're light on the cash flow. Looks like the income stocks got smashed today. All right. As I scan through here, I'm really looking for the RSI, and that's going to let me know real quick and easy. Or, if it's not recent, then you can see all these were just beautiful setups. A lot of these we took advantage of, right? This one's close. 272.84 needs just another day or two. That one's close. That one would qualify. APV, I'll have to remember that one. The Target was a lucky one. What's going on here? This is the Hershey's. You had your 30 here, right? And then it broke. And you have you're right back at the level. 193 over 190. You're getting the sell signal. You missed the dividend, but I don't think it would be a horrible idea to get in there. It's just the retest of the breakout is all it is. So, you don't get too hung up over if there's a sell signal or something. It's really not important. The momentum overall is up. And you can see having this universe of stocks that are pretty high quality. I mean, you could probably argue some of them if you wanted to just be a butt, but for the most part, most of these companies are pretty rock solid, in my opinion. Just hanging out. And if there's nothing, that's okay. We just caught the market cycle exactly when the S&P was doing our setup. So it's natural that a lot of other stocks were kind of falling in place. And some of these looks like we missed them because we were out of money. But, can't buy everything. Because if your position size was so small that you could buy everything, well, when you won on one, it wouldn't move your account at all. This one will be a nice setup for Hasbro going into the holidays. MPC is disqualified as well. I got part of my inflation deal. Every time I get gas, I buy $10 of Marathon stock. Just strange stuff like that. It's only small because I don't have a lot of money, but I keep buying stocks. So if you do that for several years, and I'm working on a decade, I think I just hit 9 years a couple months ago. So I'm working on a decade stock trading, and it builds slow at first, but then it picks up. It's a ton of fun though. Nice, quick, and easy. I don't see much. It's probably because the market's been going pretty much straight up. We've got some gaps underneath that are unfilled in the overall market. We do have a few that were close. This one will be a nice setup when it goes as well. This is a nice setup here, Chevron. Yeah, some of the oil stocks are setting up. Okay, what do we got here? EMR 8844. This is it right here. You had the 30 and it just crossed. Looks like it's about ready to fixing to break out of the 200, hopefully. We just missed the dividend, which hurts my heart, you know that, but that's okay. You can't get them coming and going. Usually just one way. See if we can get this order. 88.60 looks like the closing print. I only say that out loud because I want to internalize that because I got a crappy brokerage and sometimes they will give you a funky price. I changed my order to 88.59 for some reason, so I'm not sure why that is when I typed in a limit order, but just weird things like that. Oh, it's nice. We got a dividend coming up if we can get in on this spectrum. That's typically the ones I like to. I like the ones where it's pure fear. Look at that. People are dying to get out of this thing. But we'll take a chance on a 3-legged dog named Lucky, I'm good with that. So that's what we got for that one. Nice, easy day. We got a flip, and we got a swing trade. Hopefully the orders fill. If they don't, we don't lose any sleep over it. We did what we can do, followed the plan. And as we start selling some of the bigger positions I've been hanging on to for a while, we will get some more activity, and I'll buy multiple like we did, I don't know, a month ago or so, or a couple weeks. I'm using options as well to selling options to lower my cost basis on some of these older positions because they're really big, to help move them as well. Lower my cost basis, get out still for profits, and reclaim some of that buying power. So hope that makes sense to you. Hope this is helpful. It's Tuesday. I'm getting ready to volunteer with the youth. So remember, the best investment you can make is in other people. And go out there and do good for everybody. Be thankful. Thanksgiving's coming up. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.